Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for understanding similar triangles. So number one, the pairs of triangles in this question are similar. So their angle are equal, corresponding. So we can start from here. 4 equal. So 4.47 over x equal to 2 over 1. 2 over 1. So this is 4.47 equal to 2x. So x equal to, we divided by 2 both of sides. So it's gonna be 2.24 centimeter. Next question. Okay, look at it. Between a and b, we got 12. So let's write it 12 over a. This equal to 9 over y. So we could simplify it left side by divided by 4. So it's gonna be 3 over 2 over 9. 3 over 2 equal to 9 over y. So multiply it. Intersection. So 3y equal to 18. So y equal to, we divided by 3 both of sides. So y equal to 6 millimeter. Okay, next question for C. Look at it, between A and B, 3. So 3 over 2 equal to y over, let's see how it goes. Okay, y over 5. So it's gonna be 3 times 5 is 15 equal to 2y. So y equal to, we divide by 2, 15. So it's gonna be 7.5 millimeter. Next for D. Okay, in between 8 over z. So 8 over z, this equal to 10 over 8. So we got here like 10, z equal to 64. So z, we divide by 10, it's gonna be 6.4 centimeter. Okay, next for E. Okay, for E. So first, we got 10 over 6 equal to y over 4. And another one, we got 10 over 6 equal to 8 over z. Okay, we could simplify it left side by divided by 2. So it's going to be 5 over 3 equal to y over 4. So 3y equal to 5 times 4 is 20. So y equal to 6.67. Let me rewrite here. So y equal to 6.67 centimeter. Okay, also the same thing. So it's going to be 5 over 3 equal to 8 over z. So 3 times 8 is going to be 24 over z. So 5z. So z equal to, we divide by 5, it's going to be 4.8 centimeter. Okay, here 43 and 43. So this is A. So first we got 5 over 8.5 equal to 8 over y. And next we got 5 over 8.5 equal to x over 9.5. Okay, let's proceed. So this is going to be 5y equal to, we have 8. So I will make it 8 times 8.5, which is 68. So we can divide by 5. So the y is equal to 13.6 centimeter, while the x, let's proceed. So 8.5x equal to, we got 9.5 times 5. So it's gonna be 47.5. So we divide by 8.5 both of sides. 47.5 minus by, not minus, divide by 8.5. So the x, we will got 5.59 centimeter. Next, G. Okay, first what we got. Here we are. So we got 7 over 21 equal to x over 27, and another one we got 7 over 21 equal to 8 over y. So here we can simplify it by divided by 7, so 1 over 3 over x over 27. So 27 equal to 3x, which is x equal to 9. Also we could simplify it, so 1 over 3 equal to 8 over y. So y equal to 3 times 8, which is 24 centimeter. Now h, okay, AB, not AB, under B. Okay, first we got here 30 over 15. So first we got x here, x over 25. And another one we got 30 over 15 equal to 40 over y. Okay, we could simplify it by 5. So it's going to be 3. We can divide it directly. 2 equal to x over 25. So x equal to 2 times 25, which is 50 centimeter. Next here, 2 equal to 40 over y. So y equal to 40 over 2. So y equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, explain fully why triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. So first, we will see this angle. So the angle ABC equal to angle ADE. Why? Because they are corresponding angle. Next, we got here angle ACB equal to angle AED. They are also corresponding. Here we got BAC. So angle BAC equal to angle DAE. Angle DAE. Why? Because this is the common. All of them are here. So this common. So in conclusion, here the conclusion, the triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Okay, let's proceed for number 3. A Nancy is lying on a blanket on the ground 4 meters away. Okay. Okay, first we got 4 over here 34 equal to 3 over building. Let's make it B. So 4B equal to 34 times 3. So we can multiply 34 times 3 is 102. So both of sides we divide by 4. So B equal to 102 divided by 4. So which the answer is 25.5 meter. Why this is 34? Because total of this length 30 plus 4. Okay, 4. Show that triangle BCA, here BCA, is similar to triangle DCE. So we have to show it if they are equal. And use the fact, okay, let's check it. Okay, look at it, this angle. They are vertically opposite angle. So angle ACB equal to angle DCE because they are vertically opposite. Now what we got, let's see, ABC here, ABC equal to ED. Here they are parallel. So the angle ABC equal to angle EDCY because they are alternate angle. Okay, here also BAC with DEC. So the angle BAC equal to angle DEC because they are alternate angles. So so we got three equal angles. So triangle are congruent or similar. So the length AE here, AE so this equal to 28. Okay, there it is.